Welcome back to another video. Today I have a package. I told you there would be a lot of hauls. And I have, so as you can see, I have my short hair cat there. That's my only main 5 pet, and it was for a while until now. Okay. So leave your comments down below what you are guessing it's going to be. And let me also know if you were right or wrong. Let's see. Okay, I have not looked at it at all. I'm pretty sure it's clear on the other side, but I promise you this is my first interactions with it, and I'm very excited. So, oh my gosh, I'm so scared and excited. Okay, let's see. 1. Oh my god. So this is her. It's a collie. She looks super good. Wow. And it comes with some accessories so I can dress up her and me and of course her. That's the whole reason. But let's open her up. Oh my gosh. This is insane. Okay, let's pour her out of the bag. Okay. First off, this bag is great for reusable purposes, but oh my goodness. Oh my gosh, I'm just so excited right now. So this pet is very expensive. And to my understanding, this is squishy. The head's pretty squishy. But to my understanding, this pet goes for really expensive. So I found this for a really good deal. Ooh. And it came with all these accessories. There was also an option, I'm pretty sure, that was cheaper, and because it did come with the accessories. But I decided to get it with the accessories because not only just because I think these are really cute, but also because I feel like the pet could be more realistic looking. This pet feels really authentic. Honestly, I'm very happy with it. It's so pretty. Oh my god, I'm just so happy with this pet so much. She's really pretty. Looks very authentic. And oh my gosh, now I don't just have a short hair. I have a collie. I'm just so happy. Okay, mascot, you can talk now. I'm so happy. I'm probably never going to actually replace my mascot because, you know, I feel like it's going to feel so nostalgic to me. Although I do love these pets, this girl is going to be my mascot. These guys I might use for some videos just because I'm so excited. Oh my god. So let's look at these accessories now. I see a skirt. I see a bow. Oh my gosh, so excited. Okay. Ooh. Get the bow out. Ay. Come here. Okay, so we have this. It's nothing really. It's kind of just like a charm or something, but it can be used like as a plate, I guess. Ooh, I just devoured all my food. Oops, give me more. Oh my god. So now let's dress these guys up. Let's, I think her ear might be the best for the boo. Oh my goodness! That's so... It's very big and wow, like bam, maybe in your face. But hey, maybe it's her look. We do not judge. She has a look, she has a style, she has a taste. Then we have, I think this is my favorite. Oh yeah, I forgot it came with a necklace. Ooh. Okay, so my girl is obviously getting a necklace. Like, obviously, she is getting this necklace. Oh lord. Okay, can she have the necklace? We're gonna swap some accessories around here. I think. Ooh. Let's see how the bow looks on this short hair cap. Ooh. Ooh, I like this one. I think the bow goes to the short hair. I think that's the collie. Oh my god, I'm just moving this around. So it kind of is a little big on the short hair. Yeah, again, kind of big. But I think it fits best on the collie. Then for the skirt, obviously the short hair gets it because, like, you know. Oh, that's so cute. Oh my gosh, so cute. And then the necklace. My mascot can have the necklace. Oh, that's so cute. And then they have 3 accessories. See, this girl, it needs to drink some water after that. This girl's like the waitress. And yeah, she gets one. Oh my god, guys, I'm just like so excited. I'm really happy with my little girl. I love her so much. It's actually insane. Oh my gosh. I got like walking chest. I'm sorry, that's just satisfying to me. Her bow's getting in the way of her eyeball. But yeah, I cannot wait for my little main Big 5 collection to keep growing. My main 5s, I love them so much, and I'm super happy with these accessories too. I love this skirt. I've seen it in so many videos, but I've never had it before, and I'm just so happy. Definitely gonna use this in a video. Excited for the bow and this necklace. I love these accessories too. I've seen this blue bone before. I have like, you know, obviously it's more like a charm, but I really like this little drink right here. But yeah, I really hope that you guys enjoyed this quick little haul. It's really nice just to see your guys' opinion. Ooh, I think that this pet looks pretty authentic, and even if it's not, it's a really like a really good fake. But I think it's authentic. Looks really real, and I love her a lot, and I really can't wait to get more. Also, if you didn't get the guessing which one is right, I'll let you know which other 3 are left that I want to get, because I want to get at least one of each. This one also, even if it is fake, it'll be a great substitute until I do get an authentic one. Once I have like at least one of each, I'll probably just go back to some like lots, and then obviously probably trying to get a real one. If that one's fake, there it is, but I think it's authentic. And yeah, the only ones that are left is the Great Dane, Dachshund, and Cocker Spaniel. Yeah, the short hair is the only other breed other from dog here, but hey, she is a queen. I am on the lookout for like more of the cheaper side ones, so let me know in the comments down below if you know some of the cheaper side ones. I love you all so much, and I hope you enjoyed this haul. Bye! Bye!